Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid Dad, roll number 30, and the post-colonial term which I am going to explain today is ambivalence. Ambivalence basically refers to a state of having mixed or contradictory feeling at the same time. In post-colonialism or post-colonial theory, it basically describes the relationship between colonizers and colonized, which is the simultaneous attraction and repulsion at the same time. The term ambivalence was basically first used in psychoanalysis and later on it was adopted into colonial discourse. So let's talk about key figures. The first and the main key figure in this regard is Homi K. Bhabha. Bhabha basically explains that colonial powers is never absolute because it creates conflicting responses. The colonized people can admire and imitate the colonizer, yet they can also resist and reject them. And if we talk about its importance, it basically shows that colonial authority is unstable and uncertain. It basically explains why colonial subjects are both obedient and resistance. It basically helps us to understand two concepts: mimicry, it means basically copying the culture or of the colonizers, and second one is hybridity, which is the mixing of cultures. And at the end we will talk about example. For example, a colonized person, it he can adopt the language, the dress and culture of the colonizer, but still it can feel alienated or opposed to colonial rule. This basically refers to the ambivalence, which is a mixture of acceptance and resistance. In conclusion, ambivalence highlights the inner conflict and instability at the heart of colonial relationships. Thank you very much.